Remember C-3PO from Star Wars? He was a robot who could speak to humans in their own languages. He could even translate between them. C-3PO's abilities may have seemed like science fiction, but today, we're getting closer to that reality with the help of natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Just like C-3PO, NLP aims to bridge the gap between humans and machines, allowing us to communicate and interact more naturally. While we haven't quite reached the level of C-3PO's fluency, NLP is already transforming the way we interact with technology. From our smartphones to our homes, NLP is becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, making technology more accessible and intuitive than ever before. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of NLP and discover how it's shaping the future of communication. Natural language processing, or NLP, is like teaching computers to understand and speak our language. But human language is complex and nuanced, filled with slang, idioms, and cultural references. This makes it a challenging task for machines to grasp. Imagine trying to explain a joke to someone who doesn't understand sarcasm.
NLP tackles this challenge by using a combination of linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence. It involves breaking down language into smaller parts, analyzing their relationships, and extracting meaning from them. Think of it like teaching a child to read. We start with the basics, like the alphabet and simple words, and gradually build up to more complex sentences and concepts. Similarly, NLP helps computers learn the rules and patterns of human language, allowing them to process and understand text and speech.
We encounter NLP every day, often without even realizing it. That helpful autocorrect feature on your phone that fixes your typos, that's NLP in action. Remember asking Siri or Alexa for the weather forecast? You're experiencing the power of NLP-powered voice assistants. Ever used Google Translate to decipher a foreign language? That's NLP bridging language barriers. Even those spam filters that keep unwanted emails at bay rely on NLP to identify and block suspicious content.
From social media platforms using NLP to detect hate speech to customer service chatbots providing instant support, NLP is everywhere, silently enhancing our digital lives. These examples highlight how NLP is not just a futuristic concept, it's a technology that is already deeply intertwined with our daily routines.
So, how do machines actually understand our messy, ambiguous human language? It's a fascinating process that involves breaking down our language into something that computers can work with. NLP, or natural language processing, uses a variety of sophisticated techniques to break down text and speech into smaller, more manageable units. This allows computers to analyze and extract meaning from the vast amounts of data we produce every day.
One fundamental technique in NLP is tokenization. This involves dividing a sentence into individual words or tokens, making it easier for computers to process and understand. For example, the sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," would be tokenized into "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." Each word becomes a token that the computer can analyze separately.
Another important technique is stemming. Stemming reduces words to their root form, which helps in understanding the core meaning of the words. For instance, the words jumps, jumping, and jumped would all be stemmed to jump. This simplification helps the computer recognize that these words are variations of the same root word. This process is crucial because it helps computers recognize that these words share a common meaning, even though they have different endings. It makes the analysis more efficient and accurate.
Part of speech tagging is another crucial technique in NLP. It involves assigning grammatical tags to each word, identifying whether it's a noun, verb, adjective, etc. This helps in understanding the context and structure of the sentence. This tagging helps computers understand the grammatical structure of a sentence and the role each word plays. It's like giving the computer a map to navigate the sentence. For example, in the sentence "the cat sat on the mat," cat would be tagged as a noun, sat as a verb, and on as a preposition. This detailed tagging helps in precise understanding and processing.
Finally, named entity recognition, or NER, is a powerful technique that helps identify and classify named entities within a text. These entities can be people, locations, organizations, dates, and more. For example, in the sentence "Barack Obama visited Tokyo in 2010, NLP would recognize Barack Obama as a person, Tokyo as a location, and 2010 as a date. This allows for a deeper understanding of the text's context and meaning. Section 5, the brains behind the bots, machine learning and NLP. While the techniques mentioned earlier provide the foundation for NLP, it's machine learning that truly empowers computers to learn from data and improve their understanding of language over time. This dynamic learning process allows systems to adapt and evolve, making them more efficient and accurate in their tasks.
Machine learning algorithms are used to train NLP models on vast amounts of text data, allowing them to identify patterns, make predictions, and generate human-like text. These algorithms can process and analyze large data sets much faster than humans, providing insights that would otherwise be impossible to obtain. One commonly used algorithm is the naive Bayes classifier, which is used for tasks like spam filtering and sentiment analysis. This algorithm is particularly effective because it can handle a large number of features and is relatively simple to implement. Another popular algorithm is the support vector machine, or SVM, which is used for tasks like text classification and machine translation. SVMs are known for their robustness and ability to handle high-dimensional data, making them ideal for complex NLP tasks.
More recently, deep learning techniques, particularly recurrent neural networks or RNNs and transformers, have revolutionized the field of NLP. These advanced models can process sequences of data, making them highly effective for understanding context and meaning in language. These models excel at capturing long-range dependencies in language, leading to significant advancements in areas like machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. The ability to understand and generate coherent text has opened up new possibilities for applications in various industries.
These machine learning algorithms act as the brains behind NLP, enabling computers to learn from experience and continuously improve their language processing capabilities. As these technologies advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and intuitive interactions between humans and machines.
Section 6. The future of language. Can machines truly understand us? As NLP technology continues to advance, it begs the question, will machines ever truly understand human language in all its complexity and nuance?
Can they grasp the subtleties of sarcasm, irony, and humor? Will they ever be able to understand the emotional weight behind our words and respond with empathy and understanding? These are complex questions with no easy answers.
While NLP has made incredible strides in recent years, true language understanding goes beyond simply processing words and grammar. It involves grasping the context, intent, and emotions behind our communication.
Achieving this level of understanding remains a significant challenge for NLP researchers. However, the ongoing advancements in machine learning and AI suggest that we are moving closer to a future where machines can engage with us in more meaningful and nuanced ways.
Section 7. Join the NLP revolution. Opportunities await. The field of NLP is rapidly expanding, creating a wealth of opportunities for those interested in pursuing a career at the forefront of language technology.
From NLP engineers who build and train language models to computational linguists who analyze and interpret language data, there's a diverse range of roles available for individuals with a passion for language and technology. If you're interested in diving into the world of NLP, numerous resources are available to get you started. Online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udacity provide comprehensive introductions to NLP concepts and techniques.
For those seeking a more hands-on approach, open-source NLP libraries like NLTK, the Natural Language Toolkit, and spaCy offer powerful tools for experimenting with NLP techniques. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting your coding journey, there's never been a better time to explore the exciting world of NLP. Section 8. A universe of words. The expanding realm of NLP natural language processing is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a reality that's shaping our world in profound ways, influencing various aspects of our lives. From enhancing our daily interactions with technology, to driving advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, NLP is revolutionizing the way we communicate, access information, and interact with the world around us. As NLP continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, transforming industries and everyday experiences, further blurring the lines between human and machine communication. making interactions more seamless and natural. The future of NLP is brimming with possibilities, promising a world where language barriers are broken down, information is readily accessible to everyone, and technology becomes an even more intuitive and integral part of our lives, seamlessly integrating into our daily routines. So the next time you ask your smart assistant a question, translate a foreign language, or simply rely on autocorrect to fix a typo, take a moment to appreciate the magic of NLP at work. It's not just a tool, but a transformative force. It's a field that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, unlocking the power of language and reshaping our relationship with technology, making it more personal and effective than ever before.